K108 Truck Crane, global market quality, flexible response to various challenges. Through wind and rain for 30 years, SUNHUNK has been leading with global market, international standards, meticulously crafting the K108 Truck Crane. Standard equipped with 2-section telescopic boom, 8.15 meters working range. Whether it is emergency repairs on narrow streets or lifting heavy objects at spacious construction sites, it can handle both with ease. Q960E high-strength steel boom, Q690D lightweight turntable, balancing strength and lightness. Standard equipped with high-pressure filter, protecting the hydraulic system purity, extending continuous operation time. Single-stage hydraulic telescopic legs, maximum span of 4.83 meters, stable support for every challenge. SUNHUNK, beyond standards, optional 4-section telescopic boom, meeting your personalized needs. High-end truck-mounted crane, choose SUNHUNK.